In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. Scroll down and access Apps section. Now click on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Finally, click on one of those categories. I want to change my launcher, so I have to click on it. Click on Microsoft One in order to set it up, and tap on the back button. So now when I go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!